Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Tottenham Hotspur have made a strong statement in the League Cup, cruising to a convincing 5-1 victory over Charlton Athletic at the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. After suffering a disappointing 3-0 defeat against Brentford in their Premier League opener, Spurs were determined to respond, and they certainly delivered a much better performance in front of their home supporters. Tottenham took control late in the first half, with Mikey and Dominic Solanke scoring 2 goals in just 4. Then came another special moment. Substitute Danso scored with his very first touch, meeting a free kick with a clever flicked header to make it 3-0. But the biggest talking point was the Tottenham debut of Brazilian winger Savio. The new signing came off the bench in the 71st minute and immediately made an impact. Savio ran inside, beat 2 defenders, and fired a powerful shot into the near post to score on his debut. Just minutes later, Savio was involved again as his effort deflected off Ben Davies and found the net for Tottenham's 5th goal. Then came another special moment. Substitute Charlton managed a consolation goal through Lloyd Jones, but Spurs comfortably secured their place in the 3rd round. And the next challenge is a huge one. Tottenham will travel to Anfield to face Liverpool in a mouth-watering All-Premier League Cup tie. So, can Savio continue his impressive start? And can Tottenham go all the way in the League Cup? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel.